Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today I'm gonna be doing a natural hairstyle on my head. And as you can see here, I just took some cornrow on my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer to straighten it out. And the one I'm using is by Revlon. A lot of people always ask me what blow dryer it is, so I like this blow dryer because it has the brush on it, and because of that reason I don't have to use a brush and a blow dryer at the same time. So I just use this and kind of like comb through it, and I'm doing it section by section where the partings are, and I'm using mainly the front of it because for some reason I feel like the heat is pushing out at the front more than anywhere else. So that's the reason why you might see me using it like that, like I'm only using the front. But yeah, I use mainly the front for that. So y'all, I just decided why not do a length check, because it's been a minute since I shaved all the hair off my head. That's something y'all didn't know, but yeah, I shaved all the hair off my head 8 months and 2 days ago, and this is the length we're working with now. The next thing I'm gonna do is part my hair in half, going from ear to ear. Now I'm going to split the hair in the front in half, and the gel that I'm going to be using in my hair today is by African Pride, and I really love this gel so much. It works amazing. What I'm doing here with the gel, I'm applying it onto where I already parted, and I'm going to go back over it. Sometimes this helps to give me a cleaner, nicer, and neater part. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out a section right next to the middle part. Here I'm going to part off a section in the front of this row, and it's going to be kind of like a square, like I'm doing box braids. But yeah, I'm going to be putting elastic bands on it. And I have this pack of elastic bands because I could not find one with just black, but I'm only going to be using black. I'm going to take out another section and wrap it again with the elastic band, and I'm going to be doing 4 different sections in this row. Now I'm gonna go on the opposite side of the center part, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Y'all, as you can see, I'm doing this video in my room and the sun keep going in and out, so I do apologize for the crazy light effect that's going on this video. Okay guys, now I'm going to take this first one in the front, apply some gel on it, comb it through, and then attach it to the second one in the other row. Now I'm doing the same thing with the first one in the other row. And I'm going to keep doing this with them until I reach the very last one in the back. Next, I'm going to take out a thinner section to the side of what I just did. Since I'm going to cornrow it, I'm going to add some gel on it to give it a smoother finish. Now I'm gonna do the same thing here on the other side. When I got up to this point, I realized that it would be better to do two just because of how I'm going to be doing this style today, and I want it to match up and be even out. Now over here on the side, I'm going to go ahead and do the same pattern that I did in the front. The only difference I'm going to have with this side is instead of 4 boxes, I'm going to be doing 3 for each row. Now I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more cornrows on this side to finish it off. Now y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, but not before I eat some lunch that my son brought me. That's fried tilapia, fried shrimp, steamed broccoli, and rice and beans that I made yesterday for dinner. My son brought me for lunch. I'm all done with the other side, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair up in a ponytail. And just so you know guys, I'm using the same gel that I've been using, and I just love the way it makes the hair look so smooth. I'm using my comb to brush the gel into the hair to give it a really nice sleek look. And I told you guys about this hair tie in one of my previous videos. It's very good, especially when you have natural hair. You know those hair tie always popping. This one does not do that. Next, I'm going to fix up these edges using the same gel that I've been using. And I purposely leave these out just so I could do something with them. The ponytail I'm going to be using today is this equal drawstring ponytail, and that's as much information that I have on it because I have this ponytail for a long time, but I really don't think I ever use it. But as you can see, it looks like a rasta looking kind of hair, which is what I really like about it. So we all know how to put these ponytail in, right? We got that clip in the front that we're gonna pin right under that little bun that we have there, and there's also a clip in the back that we're gonna be pinning as well in the back under the bun, and then we're gonna pull the string and wrap it all the way around until there's none left. I usually like to end the wrapping in the back, and then I use a pin like this one I'm showing you guys and hold that string in place. That wasn't so hard, right? And that's all it takes. I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair jewelry onto the hair to finish it off. So I'm adding the ear jewelry right where the hair cross over each other. This is something you can do if you want, or you could go ahead and skip this, but I just like the way it looks, so this is the reason why I'm adding them. This is the finished look, you guys. I am super in love. I am not gonna lie, I really miss doing styles like this on my hair. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more styles like this, because I don't mind doing them for y'all, and I actually really like the way they look on me anyway. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this style, and if this is something that you would try on your own hair. I know it may seem hard to some of you guys, but if you do it in little steps, little baby step like I did, you should be able to achieve this style. This hairstyle also looked really nice up in a bun. I did not take any pictures of it or record a video of it, unfortunately, but I wear it to bed like that, so that's how I know. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, go ahead and leave them down in the comment box, and I will be sure to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Please show your support by liking and sharing this video, y'all, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.